So we are a software platform that works in the AV space, and we focus on fully autonomous fleets and working on the hard infrastructure problems of getting those vehicles to scale, dealing with the applications and the data, massive amounts of data that these vehicles produce. Each autonomous vehicle will generate about 4 to 5 terabytes of data per hour per vehicle. So if you do like a quick add up of that, a fleet of only 2,000 cars generates more data per day than Facebook. And a place like Manhattan probably needs 10 or 20,000 of these things to fully service all the people. So you can see that just getting that data, moving it from the vehicles to where it needs to go is a massive infrastructure challenge unlike anything we've seen. And it runs in the opposite direction of the way every network has been designed. It's mostly designed to go from the center to the edge. This is from an edge to the center. So it's brand new technology, brand new challenges. I think it's dawned on people that data is valuable. And I think there's a lot of people that have worked with data in other contexts that now see vehicles, and particularly autonomous vehicles, as a huge opportunity. I think the challenge that they have is that they're coming at this from sort of an IoT cloud-centric view, and you really have to understand what's going on in the car. You have to understand how the data is collected, how it's prioritized, how it interacts with the applications on the vehicle to understand what to do with it. And so companies like ours, we've been doing this for about 9 years, we've gotten quite good at understanding the car, and that gives us a kind of an unfair advantage in building these data systems. But that said, there are large companies, particularly cloud-centric companies, that are starting to see this, and we can meet in the middle. We can help enable their business models and drive more value into their platforms, and they can make what we're doing a lot more efficient and advantageous for our shared customers, which are generally the people operating these fleets of cars. Yeah, so I think what has changed over the past 10 years is you don't set up your own infrastructure to go and build something, and even if it's going to be huge, you start with partners in the space, and AWS has been a great partner, and not only that, has been a willing partner to support not just my startup, but other startups in the space getting on that platform. That's really important. I think it makes it easy to work with them in the beginning, and as our business has grown, they've continued to reach out to us to ask, how can we be better? What can we do to more collaborate? That's really positive, and so I think this is a competitive space, and there are a lot of choices, and so going the extra mile, particularly with startups, is welcome from the AWS side, and we appreciate it.